Good afternoon YouTube, welcome to the channel. I just get my hands on the new EAT15 by Eachine. This is a 2-in-1 on-road and drift car. So let's see what we get in the box, and after that we'll try some drift. Okay guys, let's open the box. The box is really looks simple and clean. This car is being sold under the name of Eachine, but it is actually the same car with the SG1603 and 1604 series, or the Udirc 1601 and 1601 Pro series. You can also see it in the user manual. So these are the parts about the body shell. Look at this. We have the Lancia Delta body picture here, but as you can see in the user manual, it is actually the same looking car of the Udirc 1601, and it also has the same chassis with the SG1604, also the 1603. And here the great new Lancia Delta body. But on the other side, the tires are different. Actually, these rims are looking better than this one, in my opinion. So you can just write your opinion into comment section if which rim style you like. And also it has the same boxing. This is the exact same remote controller with the SG and Udirc series. The button to change your lights, speed level, 3 speed level, steering gear, steering trim, and the onboard gyro setting. So you can use the gyro at 100%, 50 or 0%. This is a feature I really like. Okay, so I need to cut these them off. Just give me a minute please. Okay, I just cut them out. So this is a really cool looking body shell. LED lights with the devil eyes. I'm not sure if we have lights here. I think we don't have, but we have also tail light under the rear bumper. Let's take a look inside. So underneath, as you can see, we only have lights in the front, a 370 size brush motor, which I especially required for this one for review from Banggood, because I have, the Udirc version with a brushless motor. That thing doesn't drift very well. I don't understand, but I am making better drifting with the SG1601 version, which is also come with brush motor. So that's why I preferred the brushed motor version of this awesome looking RC car. And the ESC is a 2-in-1 40 amps 2-in-1 ESC. It comes with a 1200 milliamps 2S lithium ion battery, but there is one change on this car which is better than the others, because the on-off button is just here, so you don't need to remove the body shell to turn on the car, or you don't need to try to put your finger from here, and this body shell will not hurt your hand. We also, as I mentioned, we have the onboard gyro system. The propeller shafts are metal. The central shaft, if you can see from here, is metal. Of course, differentials are plastic. The chassis is plastic. hard plastic like the others. We have a 3-wire, let me check, sorry, not 3-wire, we have 5-wired servo. Here, not oil filled shocks, but it's okay for this car. This is the cheap, I mean low cost, affordable on-road and drift car in 1/16 scale and with this awesome body. Okay, let's put batteries into the remote controller. This is actually the first time I am opening the box, that's why some covers are get really hard to open for the first time. 4 AA batteries, which only not included in the box. You need to get your own AA's turned on. Let's plug in the battery of the car. Body shell, when it is new, it is really hard to put them in. Okay. As I mentioned, I don't need to remove the body shell, it's just here. Yes, the car is turned on. See, we have flashing lights. So one press, something in, oh okay. So the lights are turned off. One press, yes, devil eyes. I really love this. No lights on the tails, but just one light under the bumper like the others. And if you can see the gyro, it doesn't work because to activate the gyro, you need to give some power with the throttle at least 30%. After 30%, the gyro activates automatically. Okay. So this is the lowest throttle level and medium level. The sound is changing, and this is the fastest throttle, the full throttle. Yes, and this car makes approximately, it says 30 kilometers on the paper, but I have the experience with this SG1604. It's approximately 28 kilometers, which is enough. So if you would like to make it faster, you can get the brushless version, but to be honest, the brushless version is faster just a few kilometers, so you don't need to buy it. And if you are going to use this as a drift car, you don't need that speed. And on my experience, drifting with this car with the brushed motor version is easier. Okay, these are the all things. Hold on a second, maybe I made a mistake because the gyroscope system was at 0. No, yes, it requires 30% throttle, but on the SG1604 version, the gyro activates on the turn on, but on the Udirc, the brushless version, you also need to give 30% throttle to activate the gyro system, just like on this one. Okay, now I am just going to install drift tires and try some drift here. For the speed test, I'm going to make another video when I am able to go outside to make the speed test. So the last thing in the box, like the others, they are all coming with the same setup but just different branding. Are 4 drift tires, a 2S battery charger, spare body pins, and a screwdriver. These are all parts we get in the box. Okay, so let me install the drift tires and see how it drifts. gyro 0%, speed at the lowest level. Speed lowest level, gyro 50%, speed lowest level, gyro 100%, medium speed level, gyro 100%, medium level, gyro 50%, so medium level 0% gyro, I think medium level and 0% gyro is the best setting for me. So high speed, 0% gyro, high speed, 50% gyro, high speed, 100% gyro. Drifting an RC car is a real art which I don't have any skill about it. But one day I will have that skill, ability. You just need to make too much practice if you don't have any skill like me about drifting.